Okay, so um, the last day, what was the discussion? Some of you remember just only once at a time, okay? Not all of you give the answer, only one unmute. Those who have the, he or she should have the knowledge what was taught in the last class and please reply. What was there in the last class? Line drawing, okay, circle drawing, these things you
Only
have
line
learned.
drawing. Only
Some
line.
comments.
Comments about line drawing.
Okay, fine.
Then
So you will today learn how to draw circles. Okay, line drawing is a very basic part. You will now learn how to draw the circles and how to use some other commands in also some in the modify section. But let us go through the assignments. Okay, so that along with drawing, learning, you will gradually progress in your assignment completion. Okay, so let me present you my screen. As all of you can notice, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what this is AutoCAD. Okay, and this is actually AutoCAD 15 version. If you drop down it from here, you'll notice it is actually AutoCAD 15 version. So it may happen that this toolbars may look a little bit new to you because computer to computer, if different versions of the AutoCADs are installed, then these views are also different. But the basic system of operations of all these tools are actually same. Okay, everything you will find here. So this is your AutoCAD, and another thing is okay. Some students are joining still now. They are a little bit late. Anyways, can you hear me? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello? Yes. Okay. All of you, please mute yourself when you are not speaking and I am speaking. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
this one, have you received this before? Have you seen this total
yes,
manual?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. This is your assignment number 5. Assignment number 5 is starting from AutoCAD drawing. Before that, there was a part of the manual drawing. Okay. So figure number 1 is a little bit simple. It is still simple. If you go for the figure number 2, it is a little bit more difficult. Gradually, figure number 3 and 4 will be more difficult, and then we will go to the next assignments. So, normally, whenever you are learning something, it is naturally followed that you start from the easiest ones. So, let us take the figure 1 and let us try, can we draw it ourselves or not? What is drawn on the this paper, or you should say in the screen, can we draw it ourselves or not? What do you think? I am moving my mouse cursor. You just reply. What do you think? From which corner I should start? This is a very crucial point of starting any drawing. This is top left corner, means top side, left corner. This is left side, but bottom corner. This is right side, Okay, bottom corner, and this is right side top corner. Will anyone more wants to join? Okay. So from which point should I start so that my drawing becomes simple?
So we
What do
can
you
draw
think?
one rectangle first.
Yes.
We can draw the rectangle first, the big rectangle.
There is no actually no rectangle. I cannot see any rectangle.
So
You
the
can you see any rectangle? Can you see any rectangle? I cannot see any rectangle
no,
here.
sir, the rectangle. Then we can put that part. The chamfer one, that side one. We can do that.
Chamfer you have learned. You have learned the chamfer.
No, no, sir, I know just a little bit, not so much.
Okay. Then what is the dimension of that? That also I don't know. What is the vertical dimension of it? I also don't know. Vertical, as you see, vertical dimension of this total rectangle you are telling, that is also not given. So why should we not use the chamfer at this stage? We shall use the chamfer when it will be required. Okay. So which corner point should I start? This one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm telling you from wherever you start, you will be able to complete the drawing. But whichever I should start. This is my cursor visible? This one or this one or this one? Which one? Tell me, quick. We don't have much time, only 40 minutes. Which one should I start? Whatever is your suggestion.
Right top.
The bottom one we
Right
can
top.
use the 128 degrees given.
135, this one.
Yeah.
Obviously, you can start, but it will not be so easy, or what should I say? We can start it from here. We can also start it from here. That will be much simpler, because one thing you can notice, this line's dimension is not given. This line's dimensions is not given, the left one. So naturally, if we draw this line at the last, then it will be more easy for us, more easy a job for us. So let us start it from here, or suppose here. I used to prefer starting from here, the top left corner. So what I need to do first, I need to take the line. How can I take line? I can click on line. Otherwise, in the comment section, I can type L or LINE. L text or line itself, L, and then enter. Just a minute. I have done one mistake. I need to check the units first. Can you remember? Units. Units, enter. Precision, I need to set 0. Here millimeter is already set. Decimal degrees, this precision also 0. If I haven't checked it, if this is radian, then the 135 will cause me the problem. Then OK it. Then you take the line. Have you learned? Sorry. Let us take this point. And what was the direction in this? Can you observe? This is 100. But that is exactly horizontal. How can I draw a horizontal line? Exact horizontal.
Ortho mode on. We should.
Very good. Very good. So where is the ortho mode? In the status bar, I need to find out the symbol of 90 degree. This one is the ortho mode. In this direction, let us place 100. Enter. See what happens. I need to zoom it a lot. Let us switch off the ortho mode because I need to go now this side. Okay. Now, what is the dimension in that direction? 40. And what is this angle? 135. So, how to give that dimension to it? Have you learned how to make a line in an angle?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The first we will give the, I mean, the distance, then greater than sign or less than sign, then the angle.
First, you need to give the at the rate sign.
At the rate sign for the distance. Yes.
Okay. Without at the rate sign, it will not take anything. When you are giving some angle, you need to place always the at the rate sign. Then after at the rate sign, what you will give? You will give the distance. What is the distance here? If you can open your one, the soft copy of
40, 40.
this distance is 40. So at the rate 40. And then the symbol of angle is actually less than. And what is my angle? I need to give
135.
what? 135. See 135. 135. Enter. What happened? The line has been made in this direction. Why? Because AutoCAD never understands the angle in this direction 135. AutoCAD counts from this horizontal level anti-clockwise. So, what is the solution? Let us take the line. This one. What is the solution?
Minus 135
minus
Minus 135.
or minus
Min-
45.
55.
minus, who said this? Minus 45?
Sir, either minus 45 or minus 135.
No, don't be diplomatic. You are going to be an engineer.
Okay, sir.
It should
Minus
be minus
45.
135 or
So it is
45.
Minus 45.
Yes,
45.
exactly.
It is
Because
150.
from this level, you rotate only 45
45.
degree,
Yeah.
it will come to this point. So this will be 45. Enter. Yes, it happened. Again, I need to go vertically downward. And what is the value here? You can observe this is 100. Okay, vertically downward 100 means again I need to switch on the ortho mode. For this drawing, this line drawing also, if you haven't switched off your ortho mode, then also it will not be the problem. It will draw it because it will understand from the command, not the ortho mode. Then in this direction, how much I need to go? 100 only. Enter. 100. And in this direction, it is 128. And then enter. It is continuously drawing the line chain. But one problem is there. This left line, okay, if you draw it vertically, it will not join this end point. You can notice. So either you draw it vertically or you join it end point. But in the figure, there is not told that this line is, there is not anywhere told that this line is a vertical, exact vertical. So let us join this end point rather than make it vertical. Just come to your switch of the ortho mode. Come to here, it will show the end point. Why it is showing the end point? Again, one asking you. Because OSNAP is
Snap
switched
is
on.
on. Yeah.
Exactly. So click on here. It will take the end point like this. So this is your external box drawing is complete. This one, this box has been drawn very simply. Rather than drawing a rectangle and then chamfer and all those things, and then left corner matching, this drawing is become very much simple. Now, I need to draw the circles. Only then, after then, my drawing part is finished, not the dimensioning. Dimensioning also, you will learn gradually. How to keep the dimensions. But let us learn the drawing first. So, can you observe? There are there are 5 circles and dimension given is only 2 for the circles. Dimension given is only 2. For this one dimension given, this one is dimension given. Then what is the dimension of this one? In the engineering drawing, you need to understand something hidden writing.
They are of the same dimension.
See, see, here this is written that
Four holes are same.
520 into 4 holes. Which 4 holes are looking similar? This 4 holes. So obviously this 4 holes which have this similar dimension. Okay. So let us zoom it back again, zoom out it again. So 5, here you can see here is written 520 and 540, and here it is written R10. You know what is the difference between R and this 5?
The
Pi
five for
is
the diameter.
exactly 5 is actually for a circle total from the center one cutting line, one circle center is through the center one cutting line has been passed, that is the symbol of phi, and R is the radius, that's why phi is the diameter. So 524 holes. How to make a circle? That is quite simple, that is not any question of problem. But our problem is how to locate this centers. Let us come to this top one centers, these 2 centers later. Let us find out this centers first. How to do it? We need to find out a line at a distance of 40 to this line, and at a distance of 25 from this line. And for this case also, this line is at a distance of 38, this line is at a distance of 25 from this line. Okay? Am I audible? So, how to do that? You will draw another line. No. Drawing this too much amount of line will make the figure more clumsy and it is more time consuming. So, we shall learn another command, and that is the most used command in AutoCAD. Whoever is using AutoCAD professionally, or even if you are learning, you will use it in your lab or suppose during the time of exam. The fastest method of drawing includes the use of this tool. In this modify toolbar, here is the tool present. What is written? If you move your cursor around it, it is written offset, OFFSET. OFFSET. You can click there. You can click there. Otherwise, in the comment box, you can type just O. It will understand, it will offset, because offset is the most used command. That's why O itself understand by the AutoCAD is offset. And that was software is developed. So let us enter here by typing O. Let us enter here or click here. That will result in same. You just click on here. Sorry, this one. Okay. Just click once. Offset, specify, offset distance. Whenever you are drawing through AutoCAD, you always remember, always follow the comment box very clearly. In the comment box, always the quality inputs, that means which you need to input in the software, that it is asked in the comment box. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in the comment box, what is it? It is written offset to specify offset distance. So we shall make a parallel line to this line, suppose. Okay. For that, what is the distance required? At a distance of 40, see this one is actually at a distance of 40. From the bottom side also written, upside also written 40. So what is the technique? The technique is give the distance 40 and then enter. Always to input something you need to press enter. Before that whatever you are typing computer is not understanding. Computer understands only after you press the enter. Then offset the select object. You take this line. Now offset specify point on side to offset. That means you need to give computer the direction. If you move your mouse this way, it will try to draw in this line. If you move your mouse this way, just moving mouse, not clicking anywhere. Okay. So naturally I should not draw line like this. I should draw like this. And then just simply one click of mouse, left click. See, the line has been made. Okay, and then escape or exit the comment. One line has been made, this 40. I want another line at a distance of 25. Get the steps once again. I am explaining. First one is offset, O, enter. It has taken the offset command. Offset, specify, offset distance, 25, enter. Then select the object to offset. Select this object and then select the side. This side naturally. So click once more. What will happen? See, in the comment box, it have not exited from the offset command. It is asking offset, select object to offset. So what will happen if you take what it is asking for? In this case, select the object to offset means it is not asking about the distance. So suppose if you take this one again, it will keep on giving 25 millimeter offset distance. If you take this line, okay, then also it will give 25 millimeter. If you take this line, the distance has been fixed. Objects you can take different. So distance entry you can control it from the first step of the offset command. From here, if you want another object distance, you need to exit. Exit means escape. Now select this ones and delete, and select also this ones. Delete. Okay. Now what I need to find out? I need to find out this center, that is 38 from this one, and this one is 25 from this one. Is it clear? So with respect to the bottom line, I have to make 38 distance. Again I take the offset, give my distance 38, enter, select this object, select this side, and one left click of the mouse. And another one is at a distance of 25. Again take the offset, 25, enter, select this one, enter. And another thing I need to find out is, for this center I have already found out, because 25 is passing to this line. I need to find out this line which is passing at a 38 distance from this. For that, what I will do? Again offset 38, take this line and make a line like this. So you understood how much simple this offset makes our life. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
taking this point as the center, I have to make a 540 circle, and this one's as a 520 circles. 520 means the radius will be 10.
20.
So let us
10.
take the circle comment first. How to take circle comments? Again, same thing. In the comment box, you can type CIR, CLE, or C itself understands, or you can take it from here. Just click here or circle and enter in the comment box. Both are same. Let us take the circle from here. This one, one click. So in the drop down menu, you will observe there are different types of options available. If you take the center and diameter options, then at once you will directly get the diameter. Here 520 given. Take this point, move your cursor. OSNAP mode, all things are switched on. Move your cursor here. Just click to select this point. One click means your center has been selected. Then it is asking for specify radius of the circle, specify diameter of the circle. So it has taken the diameter. Select the diameter from the comment box, and diameter you give 20. Enter. This point also I am repeating the steps. Take the circle, specify the center point. In the bracket it is asking for another methods. So we are doing again center and the diameter. So let us take this point as the center. Click on here. Then it is asking for specify radius of the circle, or diameter is in the bracket. So diameter is not being selected. Specify the diameter of the circle. Diameter, you just move your mouse. If you click here, then this amount of circle will be made. Just like the line, you can make it arbitrarily either, or you can make it by giving the proper dimension. So again, you give the diameter 20, enter. Now here one circle has been made by taking 40 diameter. So select this point, just move your mouse a little. You need not to move also. If you are giving from comment box, controlling from the comment box. Give 40, enter. Now I can remove this reference lines because my drawing is finished for this one. Now see, this line has not been given. What is the height from here? Let us take it same, this 38. No problem. I think there will not be much problem. Let us check. What should I do to make a line from here? Should I take line command or offset?
Offset.
Obviously offset. Offset, enter. Distance again you give 38. Select this line and make a line like this. Okay. So in these 2 points you have to make again these 2 circles. Let us take the circle. If you now click on here, it will automatically take this option because this option is now default selection. That's why it is showing the diameter option. Okay. Click here, just give the diameter 20. It will be made. Again, you click here, just give diameter 20. It will be made. Now your reference selection is done. You can remove the reference lines. Now when you keep this reference lines, then obviously your drawing will be much more representative. Your drawing will be much more representative. Okay. So how to draw this reference line, that thing we also learned today. Can you observe that your drawing is actually finished, the dimensions have not been put till now, but your drawing is more or less finished. Okay. So, how to draw this reference line? You can observe from here to here, the line is being jointed, and inside the circle, the different types of line has been made. So, let us do the same thing here. See, directly we cannot draw the dotted line. One thing we need to do, take the line. Okay. Suppose this is one line passing quadrant, it is showing. If you move it from here and click here, then inside the circle only one line has been finished. After that, you join it to here. Okay. Again, for this circle, do the same thing. Join it from here, here, and just 3 clicks in it to make. That means this part is a different part, this part is a different part. So, inside the part, we need to make this kind of line. Let us do another line here, from here, passing through here to here. Now, how to make the dotted lines? Dotted lines is made by converting line to dotted line. Suppose this one is a line. Now see, here I shall not do anything. I have to do, why I am doing this, you will understand later. I am making a big line like this. Okay. Now I need to go to this properties. Here I can change the line thickness. Here I can change the different types of lines. If you want to change from here, okay, then you click on other, because only this continuous line is available. You click on other. See here, only 2 types of line available, by block and continuous. And another option is there, this is load. Okay, inside the comment box, what it is written? Line type. So you can directly open it from the comment box by type line type. If you don't get this in the toolbar, line type, enter. And here, if you click on this load, you will get different types of lines. Whatever type of line you want, you will get here. Now these are actually kind of center lines. So let us take the center one and open. And then click on this. Okay. This my selection. Now see what happens. I take this line and then I drop down it. It will give me center line. Now what happens? If you make this one as this type of line, there is a very good option. This match properties, you can see in the toolbar, match properties. In the comment box also you can type MA, that will understand match properties, and enter. You select this line, click on here, click on this line also. Sorry, this one also. Match properties, select this source object and then click on this one. Or suppose you select this one and make it center line. See, nothing is visible. Why? Because this one dash is much bigger than the size you require. You need to make this dashes smaller size. How you will do it? You have to select the line or suppose this one, and you right click on it on the selection, and you need to open this properties. Here there is an option. If you go, this is general, this is 3D visualization and all these things. This line type scale, this one if you make instead of 1 0.5, see what happens, the gap reduces. This one is 0.2, gap reduces more. So normally now if this kind of dash line is go through this one, then it may be possible that it is visible. You click on here, you click on this line also, you click on this line also. My God, there is a software crash, so probably my this drawing will be maybe closed this time. So no problem. I am telling you for learning purpose. Okay. So I am showing you how to make this line type and this dashed options again, and that will be closer of what today's class. Okay. So let me close the software. Just once open it again. So have you understood the part that why have we taken this bigger line? That is much more important. Suppose I make a bigger line and then I want to make this small lines dashed line. So what happens if I convert this one?
ডটেড লাইনটা একবার দেখান স্যার, ডটেড লাইনটা কি করে করলেন?
Yes,
আর ডটেড লাইনটা স্যার
exactly. Dotted line is the question. Dotted lines, there are few steps. First one, you need to type in the comment box line type, enter. Line type, enter. Then I can see only two types of line are present. I need to load another lines. Click on load. You can select one and then Control A. That will select all, and then OK. All lines came now, and then click on this OK again. Now if you select this line and go to this layer options, you can select any kind of line from here, from both centered, centered to everything. Okay.
ওকে স্যার ঠিক আছে।
But the problem is, if you select the line and open the properties, right click, open the properties, you can control the scale. See what happens if you increase the scale from 1 to 10, the gaps between the dashed, means one each dashed get a bigger size. That means if you convert this line to this one, you will not understand this dash, because one dash will fill up this line. One dash will completely fill up from here to here, no dotted will be present. And another thing, line type scale, if you make it 0.001, enter. Suppose this one you select, this one you make 0.001, enter. See what happens? Here also you cannot observe the dots, because scale is so smaller that gaps has been reduced. That's why if you want to convert any small size of line, okay, to understand how much zoom level you required, you need to make a bigger line at first at the side. Suppose you make it 0.2, sorry, this one select and then 0.2, select and open the properties. Then see, a little gap has been placed. Instead of that, if you make 0.5, the gaps has been increased. You can make one gaps increase more. So you can observe it from here. If you make a line like this, if you plot it here, then inside this, the dashed are quite visible. Match properties, select this and select this one. Obviously, the gaps you can notice. You can make it line type scale, suppose 3. Gaps increase more. These gaps will be visible to here if you do it. Match properties, take this one, take this. Software is crashing multiple times. Okay. Anyway, have you understood how to make the dotted lines? The dotted lines are made at first by opening line types and then loading the line types. And after loading the line types, you select it from the layer. Okay. And after that, if you want to change the scale, then you need to open the properties of the line. How to open the properties of the line? Very simple. Select by left click, then right click on that selection. Okay. One line is suppose here. Just select it by left click and then right click here. Then you will find this properties. Otherwise, even if you don't get it, then just select it and in the comment box you type properties, enter, see what happens. Line properties has been opened. AutoCAD is a very friendly software. Whatever you are not getting, you just type in the comment box. Maximum things you will get it from here. In the properties, if you change this line type scale, then obviously the dots or dashed, whatever you have, the size of that will change. And obviously make a bigger line at the outside of the picture so that you can understand what is the actual zoom level you require. Okay. You can control, and from one line to another line, how to match the properties? Simply the steps are match properties, click, or then select the source object from where you will get the property. Suppose click here and then the destination one. Destination can be multiple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, multiple, but source one will be a single. If you want to take the different source, then you need to again exit from this match property option and take the different source. I hope if you try, then you will be able to complete this drawing at your home. Whichever part due to software crash I haven't completed.
Sir,
Yes.
open the PPT of that assignment. Yeah, that two circle in the top, 20 diameter.
Yeah.
How to draw it, মানে আমি বুঝতে পারছি না, আমি একখানা পাচ্ছি অফসেট দিয়ে, আরেকটা অফসেট কিভাবে নিচ্ছেন, মানে যেটা হরাইজন্টালি রয়েছে ওটা কি করে নিচ্ছে?
ওটা হচ্ছে উপর থেকে ডাইমেনশনটা পাচ্ছ না তো?
হ্যাঁ, এবার
তাই তো?
কততে নেব, মানে ওই অফসেটটা কত
38
করে
নাও,
নেব?
নিচের থেকে 38 যেমন নিয়েছো, ওটা হচ্ছে উপরের টপ লাইনটা থেকে 38, ঠিক আছে?
38, ওকে
38 যেমন নিচেরটা আছে।
ওকে
Okay. So I have given a huge load. Probably in this class we have learned different things: offset, circle, angle, line in angle, and also how to make different types of lines, line property change. So I think our time is over, and also our brain will not capture more. So Those who have already installed the AutoCAD, please practice it at your home. If you have any minor doubts, obviously we can clear it in the next class, and we have to progress according to our routine, then or course plan, what you will say. So let us close it here for today. Your time is also going to finish. You understood it clearly, and ask if you have any doubt in the next class. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you all of you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you all of you. You keep the attendance. Okay, the attendance link already has been posted by Abhishek sir multiple times.
Thank you,
And
sir.
after
Bye,
taking
sir.
the attendance, you can